Mushamanio wa mbere muthenya wa ira MIARIO ya UIGUANO iria iratafarirwo ni wakiri muthomithi na kolu Dr. Linda Musumba, Nick Biketi na Dr. Duncan Ojuang mwena-ini wa thirikari, niguo mwena wa AZIMIO mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni, Professor Adams Olo, Ozain Abubakar na Lane Ngugi uratumikire gwikuranithia na mitaratara iria ikuhuthika MIARIO ino na hokuria bunge cieri gukindira watho wa gukurira kamiti ya MIARIO ino. Kuhitukira notithi maria kamiti ino irenda bunge ya bururi na bunge ya Senate ikindire ni gukurana amemba 10 aria mari kamiti-ini ya MIARIO ino mwena wa Kenya KWANZA ugitongorio ni mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini KIMANI ICHUNGWA niguo mwena wa AZIMIO ugitongorio ni mutongoria wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka. Notithi ino yendekithitie gukindira ati gibarua gia kamiti ino ni kwarira MIARIO iria igukinyaniria UIGUANO na ho yendekithie mifango miagiriru na iraringana na gatiba.
Myself and the leader of minority in the National Assembly were to engage with both speakers of the House. We have engaged with them and they have been gracious enough to grant us a secretariat that will be helping us in putting together whatever we need throughout this engagement.
Both sides had their set of agendas and it's important they get synchronized, and that we leave to the technical team to be able to provide the way forward. Once that is agreed, I think we'll be on our way.
Kuringana na mutaratara, bunge ya kibururi witanyetwo kuhitukia wira wa kamiti ino, no bunge ya Senate iri rutha otiga speaker hariirie gikaro kia mwanya. Kamiti ino itanyetwo guthie na mbere na cikaro muthenya wa Jumatatu kiumia giukite.